Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about one of the stocks which converted within 6 months it became a multi-bagger. So what is the stock name and how it is turned into that we're going to discuss. We have to do analyze until it is looking good in the market. So let us start. Stock turned into a multi-bagger in 6 months 60 to 639 rupees. This is today's news. Quality Pharmaceutical share has delivered over 900% return to shareholders in 6 months. So within 6 months, they got return 900%. So the share has surged from 60.50 rupees on March 16. The March 16, the rate of share is 16.50. 16 March 2021 to rupees 639 today. Today the market, the stock rate is 639, translating into 956.19% returns in last 6 months. So it is very good. Whoever invested, might be you got high profit. In comparison, Sensex has surged 19.67% during the period. As amount of 1 lakh invested in quality pharmaceuticals took on March 16 this year would have turned into 10.14 lakh today. If someone invested minimum 1 lakh, you would have got 10.49 lakh. So see, if anyone invested, they are lucky. Might be now also it is looking good. You can invest. If you are confident, you can invest. Stock analysis: the stock rose 4.75% or 28.9 to an all-time high 639 today and hit 52-week low of rupees 48 on January 5, 2021. Today the rate is 639 and in January it rate was 48 rupees. So total 0.18 lakh shares changed hand amounting to turnover 1.09 on BSC today. So today's 0.18 lakh shares changed hands amounting turnover of 1.09 crores BSC. The market cap of firm stood at 663.04. So this quality pharmaceutical shares has gained 1058% since the beginning of this year, and reason 10 and sorry and risen 1051.35% in 1 year. So it is a huge difference. For the quarter ended June 2021, seven promoters held 54.13%. See the reason why it is went up. For the quarter ended June 3rd, 2021, seven promoters held 54.13% stakes and 141 public shareholders. So promoters held this 15.4.13% stakes and 141 public shareholders owned 40.87% stake in the firm. 87 public shareholders held individual share capital of up to 2 lakh and 28 shareholders own individual shares capital about 2 lakh in the last quarter. So how much all are holded? The details here. So let us come to the technical fundamental analysis. Quality Pharmaceutical Limited market cap 649 crore, current price 625, high 639, low 48. Stock P 42.8, a bit expensive. PEG 0.74, face value 10. So we can see here 1 year price it is going up. Only P ratio we can see, yeah, P is bit up. Sales margin, there is nothing. We can see here pros and cons. Pros, here company has delivered good profit growth. Obviously we can see here in the what about chart technical analysis, 57.77% CAGR over last 5 years. Promoter holding has increased by 2.61. So promoter holding increased 2.61 over last quarter. Last quarter they have holded more. So peer comparison we can do with Divis Lab, Grand Pharma, Lupin. Quarterly result not at there. Profit and loss account we can see here. Net profit 15 crore, amount in crores. Earning per share is 14.60. Compounded sales growth you can see here last 10 years. TTM 88%. Compounded profit growth TTM 82%. Stock price CAGR 1 year 1026%. Return on equity, so there is no return on equity. Balance sheet we can see here 105%, 105 crores. So cash flow you can see here net cash flow 4 crores. Ratios: ROC 22% in March 2019, So shareholding pattern, promoters are more here, 54.13, public 45.87. So let us come to the fundamentally the company is looking good. This is in pharmaceutical. Obviously we know due to COVID all pharmaceutical companies are good. Let us come to the technical analysis. Technical, we can see this is I have kept for month analysis. We can go, if you see it is a rate is going high only. You can see RSI 64.75, MACD it is, you can see at the moment. We can come with the 14 we can come to the 1 month data. If you see 1 month data, the total price is, it is growing high. You can see the chart. If MACD also, you can see it is going high. RSI, it is just flattening, and moving average also it is showing high. You can see this moving average. So technically it is looking good. We can see here 625 is the price running now. So you can see here 2017 the net income is 45.46 million, profit margin 3.21, revenue 1.37 billion. So we can see here 2018 profit margin 4.55, net income 75.52 million, and revenue 1.66 billion. So 2019 net profit 5.97%, net income 83.17 million, revenue 1.39 billion. So now 2020 we can see profit margin 5.78, income 151.46 million, revenue 2.62 billion. So it is growing, the growth rate is good. You can see here 1 year performance 1026.13%, YTD 1033.27%, 6 month, within 6 months 1099.62%. So you can see the growth how it is increased. Within 3 months 484.11 months, within 1 month 43.38, and within 1 week 22.50% performance. The share is looking very good, the performance is very high. We can see here technically we can buy. So here you can see the, as per the details I can tell you fundamentally the company is good, technically also good, so we can invest. So this is the good, looking good at fundamentally and technically. But if whoever invested in last 6 months back, for them it is a very high, which is small penny stock converted into the multi-baggers. So this is it guys. If you want any other company's analysis or any your suggestions, you can keep your message in the comment box. If you have any doubt, queries, also keep your message in comment box, so I will try to see and solve it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.